Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's see what is in store for today. Now this is your set of card 1s and this is your set of card 2. I shall give you all a couple of seconds to decide on which set of cards you want to do today. So now I hope you all have decided. Before I start, for both the set of cards, I want to give you all a tip today. Today, if possible, in the morning, pick up a coconut and with that coconut, take 3 cinnamon barks or cinnamon sticks, what we call it as, and 1 lemon, one proper lime or lemon, and take these three and either give it to someone who is in need, like a poor person or someone, or if possible then you can leave it even in a temple. But today these three you have to take it, hold it in your hand, and then just say that prosperity is coming my way, and whatever is stopping from things to grow in my life, they are getting away and I am living happily. Say this and do it, and I'm sure you will see some good changes happening. So today actually I have taken two of my favorite cards. One is the Psychic Tarot and one is my Lenormand cards. So these are my two cards. Now the Psychic Tarot, Prosperity Begins. So it's a good start actually. Maybe today I gave a tip also related to prosperity only, and accordingly there is a beautiful card come which talks about prosperity begins, and one more card from the Lenormand. The card in the Lenormand is our magnifying glass, but first we will go with prosperity begins. Now this is basically new beginnings. It can be new business starting. It can be whatever hard work you have done in the past. For that you will get results. Some of you may get promotion. Some of you may get profits from whatever you have invested in the previous past. Basically, it is time to whatever you are sowing will reap results or will reap profits today. Also, if you are going for an interview, there are a lot of chances that the interview is a success and you are able to get the job of your liking. Now let's see what the magnifying glass talks about over here. That's again a beautiful card because it says you need to have a perspective, or you need to have a different view. Whatever you are looking at for so long has not been working out. It means you need to take a closer look and see what is happening around you. This card can also be a warning that you are not seeing the risks lying around and you're just being very carefree. Usually whenever a magnifying glass comes, it just says investigate, see what is good, see what is a closer look. So maybe the first card talks about prosperity beginning and the next card talks about take a closer look. So maybe the cards are saying that if you think properly and if you plan properly and if you attend your interview, or if you speak to your boss, whatever it is that today you want, it will definitely happen and you'll be very happy with the results that are coming. In the morning today, if possible, take a little bit of mint leaves or the tulsi leaves and add it in your water and have a bath with that water. Wear the orange color today because I feel orange is the color for you today. So wear the orange color today. In the morning, burn the ghee lamp and then take the coconut, cinnamon stick and the lime, the way I had said, and discard it, give it to some poor person or leave it in some temple, and then start your day. And I'm sure you will get back to me saying some good news has come, or the whatever you were expecting has happened. So now let's go to the second set of cards. Patience and planning. Mountain, a beautiful card. Now when we see the card patience and planning, maybe it is saying that just assess whatever you're doing. If you see, the number 7 usually talks about researching, assessing your goals, taking the time to review a situation, and then taking the final call or taking the decision. So maybe you need to see what is happening around you, take a break and try to see whatever it is, whether it is good or not. But if you see, I see the rainbow colors, so whatever it is definitely good and it is definitely worth doing. But it is just that before you start, the cards are suggesting have a better perspective. Now coming to the Lenormand card, Mountain. Again, Mountain is a very positive card. Mountain basically, though mountain brings challenges, mountain brings obstacles. Climbing a mountain is actually an obstacle at times. So mountain can be all that, but mountain can also be that whatever obstacles are there, if you work hard, if you combine your energies and if you move forward, then the success is all yours. So I just feel, have the patience, review your situation, reassess your situation and plan your day, and the success is definitely going to be yours. Today for you the color will be yellow, and if possible in the morning have bath with rose water or coconut water first and then have your normal bath. and then start your day. Hope you all enjoyed the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and also click the bell icon and leave your comments as to how you felt the day was. Have a blessed and a great day ahead. Thank you.